Assalamu alaikum. In this video, Photoshop text box background fill. Okay, I have a text box, two text box. Select the group text box. Now see this text layer and see this box layer. Fill for two way. Fill first of all on way. Go to shape. Click the first of all select the shape layer. Then select shape tool. Right click on your mouse. Oh sorry. Then show this fill. Click the fill color and edit fill color. Okay. And another way to click the text box. You can create a new layer. Click and drag it up to this layer. Okay. Then click the shape tool. Right click on your mouse. Click a rectangle tool or use pen tool as you wish. I simply use this. Press enter pen tool, rectangle shape tool. Click and drag it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.